Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 4 altcoins to buy right now as July has begun and we're heading into summer. So let's take a look right now. In the past 24 hours, the market is up about 2.5%. If we take a look right here, the top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be the graph, which is up about 9.5%, trading at around 68 cents. We have the new listing, Barn Bridge. We have the highest volume, obviously Bitcoin, and then the most visited OMG network. So if we take a look, Bitcoin trading at 35,437, so it is on a little bit of an uptrend over the weekend. Market cap 665 billion. Ethereum at 2.3, so 2,300 at around 4.6%, 270 billion. Then we have Binance obviously up about 3.5%. Doge is trading in the mid 20s right now. We have Ripple up 3.5%. A lot of these other coins are up about 2-3%. Then we have a little bit of outliers here with Uniswap, Internet Computer, and some of these other coins as well, 2 or 3% as well. But most of them are up, at least a decent amount, as much as Bitcoin or a little bit higher than Bitcoin. And obviously that's the strategy that we always talk about. As Bitcoin, tends to go up, the altcoins tend to go up higher because they, it takes less power to move those compared to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes up 2%, most of the altcoins go up 5, 6, 7, 10%, maybe even higher, 20%, depending on the momentum that is being brought behind them. So guys, let's dive on in and check out these altcoins. But before we check out the altcoins, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. I know you guys can do it. Subscribe to the channel. We just hit 36,000 subscribers. Let's aim for 37,000 now. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you buying right now? If you want to sign up for Webull and get your 2 free stocks valued at up to $2,300, links are going to be in the description for that as well. Happy 4th of July, and let's dive on in and check them on out. So the first altcoin on our list is going to be Uniswap UNI. So this one is up about 10% right now from lows of 18.76 in the past 24 hours to highs now of over about $21 or so. Market cap is 12 billion. The volume in the past 24 hours has 427.8 million. If we take a look here at the 1 week chart, Uniswap has been on a run. It's up about 27%. Nice gains right there. In the past month, it is down about 28%. And then obviously in the 1 year chart, it is up over 566% from about $3.09 all the way to highs here. We saw at about $45. And then ever since that $45 level, we continue to see a downtrend, obviously, as the market pulled back. And now we're in a consolidation period. Uniswap is looking pretty decent right here, and I think it's going to have more momentum in the future. Obviously, if you guys go on their website, you guys can see different things from Uniswap. We have staking and different types of lotteries and different things like that. Now, Uniswap is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There is no order book or centralized or central facilitator on Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through the liquidity pools that are defined by the smart contracts. So obviously, any long-term watchers of the channel, you guys have definitely seen Uniswap on the channel before. We went into depth with them. We dived on in and checked out how they perform, what they do, and everything else behind them. So if you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. It's going to be one of the links in the description. Probably I'll talk about that video. So guys, check it out. Now let's get into the second altcoin. The second altcoin is going to be Internet Computer. So this one, ICP. We've been talking about this one for a while as well. It's been, real explosive, but obviously lately we've seen a huge downtrend in the past few months. It is up about 9.28% right now, trading at around $49.82. In the past week, this one is up 65%, so really, really nice gains right there. And obviously on the 1 year or 1 month chart, is down actually about 60%. And then on the 1 year chart, up 480%. Last year, it was trading around $8. Here, when we talked about green coins, this one started to make explosive momentum from $200 all the way to highs of $750 in a matter of about a day right there from May 8th to May 9th. So huge moves right there, over 200, 300%. And then we literally saw it come right back down in about 2 or 3 days once again. And then the downtrend has just continued ever since May. So here, mid-May or so, we saw it at 300, and then it just continues to go lower, lower, lower. We saw 165, 140, and then it continued to go all the way down to 30 right now. So right now, we're actually trading at levels that we were trading at around in March and February, which is around the $50 range. So it has made a little bit of a comeback, but we will definitely be watching this coin for the future to see how it's going to perform, as it has a lot of potential. I mean, this was a 70 billion market cap coin just a few months ago, and now it's at 6.8 billion. So there's definitely potential for 10 to 15x in the future, easily, in my opinion, as the market cap is only at 6.8 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours at 296.4 million, and then obviously there's circulating supply at 136.9 million. Now, Internet Computer ICP is a utility token that allows users to participate in and govern the Internet Computer Blockchain Network. The network aims to help developers create websites, enterprise IT systems, internet services, and DeFi applications by installing their code directly on the public internet. ICP can also be staked or converted into cycles that can be used to power computation for dApps and traditional applications. So this is definitely an interesting coin for the future. And at these low levels down here, it might be time to load up, but that's obviously on you to learn and decide and make your own decision. The third altcoin, another low market cap, is going to be Monero XMR. So this one is up about 4.5% right now, trading at $222. In the past week, it's up 9.6%, and then on the 1 month chart, down 27%. But on the 1 year chart, we're still up 259% from lows down here about $61, $62. We saw Monero here obviously in May, hit its peak at around $517, $520 or so. Obviously, since then, we've lost about 55, 60% of our, value, or a little bit higher. We hit lows down here of 200, and we've been kind of bouncing around 200 to 300 range, back and forth for the past month. So we are in a consolidation period as well as the rest of the market, which is normal. Obviously, we were way over, bought right there. We were making huge gains. Now it's a little bit down. It's time to relax, time to cool down. Market cap is at 4 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 150.7 million. And then obviously the circulating supply is 17.9 million. So Monero is a cryptocurrency based on or focused on privacy. Transactions on the Monero blockchain can't be traced or tracked. Now, Monero uses a proof of work consensus algorithm to issue new coins and secure transactions. So that is how Monero works and what they do. And then we have the last altcoin is going to be EOS. So EOS, another nice coin, up about 2.7% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, it's up 14% from lows down here about 350. And then we see here in the 1 month chart, it is down about 37% with the one year gains here at 66%. Now, we have talked about this one, that it is actually lagging behind the whole market right now. It's only up 66% compared to some of these other altcoins that are up 200, 300, 500, even 1,000% depending. Now, we did hit highs here of $14.90, almost $15. That was once again the same time that Internet Computer and all these other greener coins, started to boom. Obviously, when Elon Musk said that Bitcoin would not be accepted anymore for Teslas. So we saw a boom here from $6 all the way to highs of about $15, and then it came right back down to about $4. So that happened pretty much to all those greener coins. They went, up on the news and then came back down as the market sold off. And now we've been trading at this level pretty much for the past month. And this is the prices that we were trading at in March or so. So, we kind of went back in time a little bit, but that is still okay. EOS for the future, 3.9 billion. This one has a potential for 20x in my opinion, personally, and that would be trading at around $80 per coin, or around 80 billion market cap, and that would be a realistic, obviously, area. Now, volume in the past 24 hours at 789.6 million, with the circulating supply at 954.9 million. Now, EOS is a cryptocurrency designed to support large-scale applications. There are no fees to send or receive EOS. Instead, the protocol rewards the entities that run the network periodically with new EOS, effectively substituting inflation for transaction fees. So EOS is definitely a coin to add to your radar, as it has a lot of potential in the future that could 10x, 15x, even 20x, or maybe even more in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. So definitely a coin that I would be personally adding to my watch list to see how it's going to perform. Now, obviously, guys, before investing, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence before investing, obviously, into any type of crypto or even stocks. The volatility is insane in the crypto market. But now let's dive on in and check out what else the other coins are doing. So Doge is pretty much flat in the past 24 hours. In the past week, it's up about 1%. Past month, down 38%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, still up over 10.7%, or 10,718%. Obviously, we saw it go all the way up to about 77 cents, pulled back down. We talked about the 30 cents area being a nice support, broke down, continued to go lower. Now seems to be around the 20 to 25 cents area for a new support. market cap at 32.7 billion. So Doge is holding steady right now, but if we saw a market pullback, I think Doge would definitely start to drop very, very quickly. And it is a meme, just like, GameStop used to be, AMC, and all these other coins that we saw, or all these other stocks in the stock market. So very similar. Then we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up about 2.6% right now, trading around 35,000. So it is as a nice level right now. But this is the area where we see Bitcoin either shoot on up or come back down. So this has been happening for over a month. We've seen the same pattern. If we take a look here, 1 week 10%, 1 month 9 or 10% down. But if you take a look right here, ever since May 22nd or about that time period, May 19th, we've been trading in this range. So for the past month or so, over a month and a half now, we've been trading between 30,000 and about the 40,000 range. We needed to break through 42,000 in order for this bull run to continue to go on higher. So that is the range that we want to see. And then obviously we don't want it to see go under 30,000, because then it could continue to pull back even lower. Market cap 664.7 billion right now, up 300% almost in the past year, as it was trading at around $8,900, $9,000 last year. Hit highs of 65,000 and pulled back down. So we made about a 50% pullback from the high, which is okay. I mean, that just gives us more room for growth now, and buying the dip opportunity, as we're trading at around levels that we were trading around in January. So we are about 6 months in the back. We kind of rewinded. Now volume in the past 24 hours at 26.3 billion. So pretty nice. Then we have Ethereum. Ethereum is up about 4.5%. It's starting to make some momentum finally, trading at around 2,300. In the past week, it's up 26% from lows of 1,800 all the way to highs up here at 2,300. So making some decent gains in the past month, down 18%. In the past year, up 900%, over 900%. It was trading at 223. Then it went to highs of 4,400, pulled back down, and now we've been trading in this range once again for about a month and a half around this $2,000 area. We even broke down and went to about 1,700. And we talked about if it went to 1,500 or lower, how that would have been an amazing buying opportunity. It did not actually get that low, but it got pretty close. Market cap at 270.8 billion right now, and then volume in the past 24 hours at 19.1 billion. So Ethereum, definitely a coin to be watching. It has potential for a 4x in the future, in the next 5, 10, 15 years potentially, because we believe in Ethereum on this channel that it will outgrow Bitcoin in the future, but that's obviously just my personal opinion. So guys, if you guys enjoy this content, smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, leave a comment below. What crypto are you watching right now? I hope you guys are having a happy holiday weekend right now. If you guys want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.